Oh my god. Oh my god, is it working? Hello? Okay. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we got another horror game. Just like a random horror game. I found this one is good. It's called Momo. Momo. I seen this sometime. Momo, you know that weird smiling lady? He's creepy. And then it's called Momo's Mother Bird. She's like a weird bird lady. Final story. I seen it. So, and I just said I want to play it. So, here we go. We're gonna play this. Let's get right into it. Cause this is weird. Hello?
News. The plane carrying an unknown monster made an emergency landing. According to the information, one of the pilots picked up the phone and read the message.
Oh.
Do not read SMS from the unfamiliar number.
SMS?
I
Unknown
believed it.
number.
What nonsense.
Yeah. Nonsense. We left it. What? This is weird. Oh, dude, if you say nonsense, you are going... Come on. If you don't believe in something, you're gonna get... Like, you're gonna die. I'm sorry. What is your house? Oh my god, your place is weird. Can I
It's
open
starting
this
to
window?
look like it's getting dark outside.
Yeah?
Might need to consider going to bed soon. Looks
Maybe.
like the sun's beginning to set.
No, I don't want to go to bed. I want to explore your house. Is this pizza?
Perhaps that's enough. I think I'm already kind of gorged.
Okay. This is weird. Can I interact with everything? I got a body? No, I got... Oh, I got arms. I just got arms. I'm scared. Oh my god. It fell? Oh, I can interact with
This has
everything.
been lying here long enough. It's time to throw it out.
Maybe I can throw it out? Can I throw it out?
This has been lying here long enough. It's time to throw it out.
I guess I can't throw it out. Can I open the drawer? It's a no.
Because of all these strange events about some Momo and some other nonsense.
This is weird. You
my
don't believe it,
parents told
so
me
it's
to
gonna
move
happen.
Urgently. I wish I was at Rabbington's camp instead
Parents
of
told me
here.
to move? You should move,
No
dude.
interesting activities in this village at all. And who am I even writing this for in the first place?
Oh my god.
Because of all
Dude.
these strange events
Oh,
about
okay. You should move, because I'm sorry, if everyone keeps telling you to move, you should
I'm a
move.
vampire. That's cool.
Okay, we're gonna brush over that fact. He just knows he's not showing up in the mirror. He just knows. We're gonna brush over it. We're not gonna talk about it.
I guess it's time for me to read War and Peace. I did leave the Spider-Man comics in the city anyways.
Spider-Man? No! You can't leave the Spider-Man
Well, I guess
comics!
I'll take the trash out tomorrow. Tonight's getting too late.
Late. It said lazy. Okay, you don't know how to read. I'm sorry.
Perhaps that's enough. I'm already kind of stuffed.
Okay, alright. What? I just want to eat my donuts, okay? I'm sorry if your conscience is saying that's enough. I'm stuck! Oh my god. Okay. You can get stuck in the closet. What is this? This is a weird house. Can I go out here?
It's too late. It's time for me to go to bed.
Need to go to bed. Okay. Fine. But I swear, if you get eaten by Momo, like, it wasn't my fault. Okay, let's go to bed. But I'm scared. Oh, I'm not scared. No, you know what? We're gonna be tough. Oh my god. I am... No way. I told you. Momo was gonna kill you. She's gonna kill you.
Here?
I mean, I told you. What did I say?
Damn, this pizza would be enough for tomorrow.
What?
Damn, this pizza would be enough for tomorrow.
Why are you like mumbling? This is weird. Not now. I need to take my phone. Oh, you need to take my phone? Where's my phone? Hello? Okay, my phone.
Don't believe I existed. What? Let's see how you like this nightmare.
See? I kept telling you.
Mean?
You didn't believe her, so she's gonna come to your house. You didn't believe it, so if you believe it, Then, what is? Oh, I'm terrified. No, Momo. I believe. Okay, I believe this guy. I'm just in this guy's body. I believe it. I believe it. F for a flashlight. Hey, what's up, Momo? What you doing?
What the hell is going on here?
Who the hell is in the closet?
I'm gonna leave. Can I leave? In the closet? Oh, someone's in the closet? Oh, I'm terrified. Oh, I don't want it. I don't want it. Knocking on the door? I told you, you should have believed it. Yeah, I would run if I were you. Oh my god, run, dude. This is crazy. You didn't believe it, so I mean, come on. It's real, you know? You should have believed it. What's happening right now? Are you good? Get up, dude.
Attached. The bones don't seem to be broken.
Why you sound British now?
It's
our
place. This is not our home.
I guess not it. Oh my god, turn on the light.
If you find this letter, it means I still haven't returned, and I need help.
Okay.
I went down to the secret passage behind the closet. Don't be fooled by the door.
You went down?
It's a trap. The boards will fail. This monster, it's too smart and too dangerous. Save this key. It will still come in handy.
Okay. Key. Oh, key. Give me that. Oh my god. So I can go in the basement? Okay. But first I want to look at some of this stuff. Oh my... I had no idea. Wait, let's try again. That was horrifying. I guess I gotta get out of here before that thing comes to me. Let's get out of here. Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh, I got it. Oh, I died. Okay. So what exactly am I... Do I gotta get some... I gotta block this so I can't open it. This is weird. All because you didn't believe in it.
My dear friend gave me this book 15 years ago.
15
now,
years ago, that's
our
pretty good.
paths have diverged greatly. But I
Paths.
keep this book as a bright memory. You can take a look
Bright
if you
memory.
want. It's the second shelf, the 12th book. I highly recommend reading it as well.
Second shelf, 12th book. Okay? Well, last time I got killed. Is it in the closet? Oh, I'm scared. I think that's when I got killed. Wait, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, second book. Second thing, 12th book, right? It said, wait.
My dear friend gave me this book 15
Second
years
shelf,
ago.
12th book.
Now, our path...
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is no 12 book. What are you talking about? Oh my god. I dodged that thing. But I cannot move. Oh my god, I can't move.
No!
Dude, it's just a tiny little fall. I don't understand how, like, your legs must be like jelly or something. Your bones must be getting super squishy because there is no way. Can I unlock this or something? Can I jump? No, I cannot. Am I supposed to go back in there? Where exactly is this basement? I don't understand. Is this the basement? I think it is. I see a light. It's kind of weird, you know? Well, I did this and the thing didn't come out. So does that mean I can do more books? Or... I'm kind of scared. Okay, it's the wrong book. Oh, it's the wrong book. I'm gonna keep this key though. It's the wrong book, so not that book. Maybe this book? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's the wrong book. You gotta get your books right, dude. Come on. Okay. Well, I don't know how to read either, but... Second shelf. 12th book.
Hey, Tim, show Joel how everything you touch turns into Skittles.
That's awesome.
Is it awesome? Well, you can't hold your newborn baby boy in your arms. Did you feed and dress yourself this morning? I didn't. I met a man on the bus today. I shook his hand. He'll never see his family again. I guess that's pretty awesome. Excuse me.
Touch the rainbow. Taste the rainbow.
Yo, some people think it don't make sense that I'm a horse whisperer. Fancy prance, yo! But you know what else don't make sense? Bye. I mean, it's good for you, but still somehow tastes amazing. Sideways fancy prance, you heard? Yeah. Clippity clop, clippity clop. Yo, I just whispered all of y'all. Too easy.
Bye. 5 calories, antioxidants, and tastes amazing. None of this makes sense.
Honey, I've invited Pedro over.
Pedro, my man!
We need to talk about something.
Great. Let's talk. What's new, Pedro?
Look, Tim, for the past 12 years, Pedro and I have been having an affair.
What? I did not see that coming. At all. Pedro Jr., go to your room. Don't make that face. And take that ridiculous shirt off. Daddy loves you. Sorry, what were you talking about?
Yes, I know. Very good. Look who's over there. Yeah, he's walking.
So, what have I missed?
But, wait a minute. There's no 12th book, though. Maybe 3rd shelf? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's the 12th book. Right? Oh my god. Wait a minute. Oh. So it's black instead until you step on it. This is weird. Okay. What about this book? Oh my god. Dude, it's not that bad. You just beat her up if you really, but you didn't believe, so you deserve it. You deserve what's coming for ya, okay? Am I supposed to have like a flashlight? Because what am I doing? Exactly. Hello? Am I taking out the train? What do I use this key for? What'd it say?
If you find this letter, it means I still haven't returned, and I need help.
You go down to the secret
I
passage.
went down to the secret passage behind the closet.
Behind the
Don't
closet.
be fooled by the door.
What closet? This one? Oh, that's why I saw this thing. But, oh, I gotta do a secret book thing to open the closet. Okay. But it said,
your friend gave me this book 15 years ago.
but I keep this book as a blessed memory. If you want, you can take a look.
Book as a bright memory.
Second shelf.
It's the second
12th
shelf, the 12th book. I highly recommend reading.
Second shelf. 12 book. This is the third one. This is the first one. Oh, seconds. That's the first one. I'm so dumb. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Great. It wasn't that hard.
It's this thing. Oh my god, this is cool. I mean, did I just rise up? Oh my god, this guy gets stuck so easily. Oh my god. Dude. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Wow. Wow. Voice quality. Well, guys. It looks like I'm stuck. Well. Oh my god, let's go back. Oh, continue? Oh my god, I can continue. Okay, we're okay. We're okay. We're alright.
Great.
We're alright.
It wasn't that hard.
Okay. Just don't stand on it when you open it. Hello? Oh my god, I broke the game. Oh my god, I broke the game. Your house. Oh my god, your house is huge. Okay. Your house is so big. I didn't know you had a huge house.
It wasn't that hard.
Okay, I'm gonna have to back up when I unlock this door. Like, back up. Open it and okay. Alright, we're gonna go down.
No!
Okay. Dude, there's hay below and you still
It wasn't that hard.
die when you fall. I don't understand. How you have like a condition. There's no way. You can't. Your legs can't be. You even have legs. Well, maybe that's why. A rope. I have to climb down the rope. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Go ahead and climb up and down.
What?
We're going down.
What is this place? Prison?
What do you think it is? It looks like prison. What do you mean? Okay. Give me that. Do I have like an inventory? No? Okay. What's this?
I was able to catch her in a cage.
You were?
We were sure that it was a good idea to transport her by plane.
But I kind of feel bad.
How wrong we were.
But I feel bad.
She became angrier and more dangerous.
Really? I bet.
She needs to be stopped.
Because you're locking her in cages. If you be nice and believe in her, then she actually will be nice. Maybe. Well, I don't know who Momo is.
I can't open this door.
Okay, alright. But I don't know who Momo is, but she sounds alright.
Who is this in our cage? Huh. What an awkward situation.
Oh my god,
it's so familiar to me. In any case, you won't get out. Goodbye.
Well, goodbye.
Holy shit.
Shit, it's a hell. I'm so confused right now. Oh, that's horrifying. Oh, escape right now, dude. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Bitch. I need to get out. What are those symbols on TV? It's definitely reach. TV. TV.
Come on, find a way out of here.
Oh, I'm confused. Crowbar? I got a crowbar.
Fake! Fake!
Oh, I got a. Triangle? Right?
Oh, damn. Come on, damn.
Triangle?
Oh, damn.
Square? Circle? Square! Oh my god, that's brutal. And I'm stuck. Man, this game's glitchy. Well, it did say that. It did say it was glitchy. It did say it was glitchy. Okay, I guess we're going back here. Let's do this again.
Great.
I think I know what to do now.
Hard.
That was just kind of weird. This game is fun, but it's very glitchy, which is what they did say that, so I can't complain. If they said it, I can't complain. Alright. Let's... Shall we? Let's get...
What is this place?
Let's
Prison?
get myself in that cage again. And let's see if we can do this.
The door is locked with some kind of unusual key.
Unusual key.
But where can I
It says
find it?
special. Okay, the text isn't matching up with the voice over. It's just like... This is weird. Okay, grab the crowbar and...
Is this in our cage? Huh.
Okay, I'm gonna go over here to like look at it.
Familiar to me. In any case, you won't get out.
Okay, I get
Goodbye.
it. I get it. I get it.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
It's like dubbed over. That's horrifying. Why'd you go over there? I don't know how you get over there. I already grabbed the crowbar, didn't I? I think so. Oh, I did, yeah. Okay, let's see. So, it's one is a triangle.
Come on, find a way out of here.
3 is square. And is circle. No. Get out of here. Let's go. I did it. Okay, where am I going now? We're gonna climb up here? Oh, it's a vent. This is weird. Okay.
It stinks in here.
Well, obviously, it's a...
Nothing happened. Maybe
Great.
one more time.
One more time, okay. Do it again.
It looks like something. This place is locked for a reason. There's clearly something here.
Well, yeah, I would assume so. The creature that's, you know, following you. Is there anything in there? No? You just got your phone flashlight? Normally these games have, like, flashlights. You just got your phone flashlight. Just really. Okay, this is kind of cool. This creature has been tormenting me for several days, I have. Nothing to read. Looks like the end. I've been involved in the matter. Agree to transform her from a... Okay. I don't really know what you're doing.
I can't open this door.
Okay, alright, I get it. Can't open the door. Then why'd you even go in? Oh, I'm horrified. Hello? Why are you laughing at me? Are you up there? Are you... Where are you? Who's laughing at me? Hello? Closed?
Apparently it's locked on some kind of mechanism, but
It's
I
locked?
need to find out what.
Oh my gosh, I could run. I didn't know I could run. Okay. So what am I opening? Can I use the
door
crowbar
is
on this?
locked with some kind of unusual key. I can't open this door. I was able to catch her in a...
Okay, I get it. Can't open the door. But like, there's nothing in here, is there? I don't want to get locked in here again. I'm scared. Okay. There's nothing
Apparently
in
it's
here.
locked on some kind of mechanism, but I need to find out what.
Alright, so I guess I gotta get a mechanism. So listen. Let's see if there's anything up in here. I think there might be. Is this a mechanism? Oh my god. Oh my god, I died. And I can't try again because the mouse. Oh, this is terrible. Oh my god. Alright, it looks like we're doing that puzzle again. This game is very glitchy, you know?
Great.
Wait, we'll try it one more
Wasn't
time.
that hard.
And if we can't do it, I guess we'll call it a day. This is getting a little bit long. That was... This is an interesting game. But, it's a little bit glitchy, you know?
What?
Which, again,
what
they
is this place,
did
prison?
say that. Can I, like... Get the crowbar? Oh, it locks on me. Get the crowbar.
Is this in our cage? Huh. What an awkward situation.
I guess we're gonna stay here.
It's so familiar to me. In any case,
is it really?
You won't get out. Goodbye.
Oh, trust me, I will.
Holy
hello?
shit!
Okay.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Holy hell. Hell, hell, hell. I mean, that's what I say. So we're gonna... let's see what we do. Alright. Alright, get up, dude. You're so slow. Okay, so... First one? Oh, is it the same? Third one?
Come on, find a way out of here.
Okay, that is the easiest thing I've ever done. Wow. Okay. Alright. Let's go back in here and let's not turn that valve. Let's just leave the valve alone. And go back. Well, let's go. There might be something in here.
In here.
We'll see.
This place is locked for a reason. There's clearly something here.
Hello? What are you doing? I'm playing Momo. A very interesting game. Oh? I don't know who that is, but it's a screw. Are you guys done? Okay, alright. I'll be out in a minute. Brayton's playing some games. My ghost is flipping me off right now. It's crazy. Okay. Yeah, it's a lizard. Alright, give me a minute. It says key. Oh. Hello? Oh, I'm scared. What you doing? You better run, dude. Don't hide. What are you doing? Why are you...
Oh, did she notice me?
I think so.
It seems like it passed.
This guy is so dumb. Of course she noticed you. She knows who you are. There's cameras up there. Of course she knows you. I mean, come on. It's that obvious. She's gonna be behind you. You can't hide from me, see? I mean...
That thing! How do I get out now if she's there?
Well, I assume you could just climb up here. I probably made a mistake.
Huh? Where did she go? I just saw her.
I'm just gonna unlock this.
Apparently it's locked on some kind of mechanism, but I need
Oh
to
my
find out
god.
what.
I'm scared. If I die this time, then that's it. Is it? Can I unlock
It
this?
looks like some kind of old prison with a security room.
Okay.
Who the hell was being held here?
I wonder. Is this like... Oh. It's security. Oh my god, you can buy it. They're advertising it. That's funny. She's just walking in the halls. Well, where is she going? Oh, I can trap her. I can trap her. Oh! Open door? That was easy.
Huh? She's gone somewhere again? What kind of game are you playing?
I'm getting the hell out of here.
I need to take a tire iron and try to open these bolts.
What? Excuse me? A what? A tire iron?
I can't open this door.
Alright, I'll open it from here then. Open the door. Bitch, open the door. Bitch, open the door. Okay, so it looks like I'm going back in here. Well, that's a crowbar. And that's a key.
Oh, you're so resistant. I like to feel your fear.
Well, of course it does. Of course you like to feel your... Or feel, yeah, feel your fear. Hey, give me my crowbar. Oh,
Oh, you're so
open it.
resistant. I like to feel your
The tire iron's broken.
fear.
Open it! Go down! I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going somewhere. She's getting close. Yeah, lock that door. You better lock it. You run out. What are you doing? Oh, you're locking. Are you backing up? Run. How dumb do you have to be? He's dumber than I am. Oh, to be continued? Alright. Alright. I'll take that as a challenge. Wow. Okay. You know what? That was pretty good. It's a bit of a, like I said, it's a bit of a glitchy game. I broke the game! But it was pretty good. It was kind of interesting because it was a good premise, but if they could make it in a little bit of a less glitchy, you know, fix the glitches and stuff, it'll be a pretty fun game. But it says final story, but it's a to be continued. So I don't get it, but that was Momo Mother Bird for you guys. Thank you. Thank you. No one's watching this, but thanks. Oh my god. Alright, I'll see you guys later. That was Momo. Alright, bye.